On the list of projects for a carpenter, installing a new door is actually considered one of the more difficult projects. On a scale from 1 to 10, a carpenter is going to tell you it's a 7 or an 8 if everything is framed out, level, and plumb. But I'm going to show you how to replace a door. The first thing is, let's get rid of the weather stripping and then we'll continue our investigation. But first, we need a drill. So now what we need to do is the second most important part. Ensure that all the hinges, the deadbolt, and the lock from your old door line up with your new door. And the only way to find that out is to put them back to back. Our door. We know everything fits, but the hinges that the door came with are this black color, and everything that we've got going on in this place is brass. So we're just gonna change them out exactly the way they are, with the pin head facing in the same direction, and just pull out the screws and put them in. And then we're gonna slide it into place and hopefully screw it right back in. All right, we lined up. So with the hinges, you're gonna get 2 little screws. You're gonna get 1 big one, and you're like, well, why? And where do I put that? So let me tell you my theory. You put the short ones into the door, and you're gonna put 1 of the long ones into the center part of the hinge. You got 4 holes, we're gonna use 3 of them. And because the door is gonna get a lot of torque, so at the top it'll pull, and at the bottom it'll pull, but if you bury it in the middle, it's just got a better likelihood of seating in and staying stable. I've got these lines to tell me that that's the center, so I can follow these lines. But how high or how low do I need it to be? We need to mark it in one way or another, right? We've got that all figured out. This part up here, I'm gonna put Bondo in it, which is actually a very hard filler. But for now, I'll install this and put a piece of tape to cover my strike plate so that I can then move on to putting on the actual door handle. So there you have it. It is not the easiest project for any carpenter, but you as a do-it-yourselfer can do it. The most important part is that the hinges line up, and as you saw, I had a little bit of extra work chiseling out the deadbolt, but once we got that in, we easily got the door handle in, and there you go. DIY Family Handyman way to replace an exterior door. For this and more, visit us at familyhandyman.com.